Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part 5 from our intermediate flat parts. And this shape can be kind of referred to as a trapezoid for the actual name of it. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. So now this is going to be our second shape, or second stock part that we're going to be looking at. But this is part 5 in the sense of its parts number. So in order to add this part, I'm going to go to flat part here, go to P5, and then as you can see, we've got a form of trapezoid here that we can adjust. Now let's zoom in so we can just see what the values do. So we've got a B, a V, and an A. Now obviously the B we can see does the top, the V does the actual vertical length, and then the A does the bottom. So let's just have a quick example here. So I'm going to make this one, let's say this is A, so this is the bottom, something to keep in mind. It's a bit confusing, it's the opposite way around. But we'll make that 200, let's make this one 100, and this one 100. Say OK here quick, and we have a preview. Now we can see we've got the classic shape that you always see. So what we can do, let's say we want to reverse it. This is one of those ones where you can actually invert the numbers, which is nice. It doesn't have to be smaller than or bigger than. So we make this one 200 and make this one 100. So okay, we can see now we've got the inverted version of that. Then I'm just going to say here quantity is 1, and we go add this shape. Now add this to our actual canvas. Now we can see we've got it here. We've got our little trapezoid facing downwards in our list of shapes. So there's a second shape we're covering for intermediate shapes, but it is part 5 of the different shapes. It's rather simple to use this one. Like I say, some of the intermediate ones can get a bit more tricky, but in general they are quite usable. So otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.